SketchUp Students Design Competition 2026 Registration Guide. Welcome to the registration guide for SSDC 2026 Inherited Futures. Let's get started. Step 1. Create your account. Fill in your details in the Create an Account form. Enter your full name and a username for logging in. Next, enter your active email address and set a password with at least 8 characters. Confirm your password by retyping it. Click Register Now. You'll see a success notification. Check your email for account details and further instructions. Now, click Login Now. To access your dashboard, enter your username or email and password to sign in. Step 2. Team Registration. On the participant dashboard, click Fill in the registration form to begin. The process has 5 stages. Stage 1. Institution. Select your region, country, and institution type. Enter your institution name and faculty or department. Finally, create a unique name for your team and click Next. Stage 2. Head of Team. Enter the team leader's information, name, email, mobile number, and current grade, including your semester and year. Stage 3. Members. You can add up to 2 additional members. Click Add Member to register your teammates. Fill in each member's details, name, email, mobile number, and grade. Once complete, click Next. Stage 4. Lecturer. It's a must. If you have a supervisor, click Add Lecturer. Enter their name, institution, title, and email address. Then, click Next to move to Submission. Stage 5. Submission. Take note of the deadlines and file formats. Make sure your submission follows the required naming convention. After saving your registration, your status on the dashboard will change to Under Review. The committee will now verify your team's data. You can track your progress right here. Account created, form submitted, and Under Review. Good luck!